Hello, in front of me I've got Glorious GMMK2. In this video I'll show you how to hot swap keys. To hot swap keys, firstly prepare key remove tool. It is equipped and included inside the original package. Now place it over the key you would like to remove and pull it. Now let's prepare switch remove valve tool. It is also included. Place it over the switch and pull it. Now you can remove switch and key. In order to place it back, make sure to put it in the right position because of the pins, and now push it in. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.